Welcome back. In this video we are going to solve another one of the important programming challenges of HackerRank, and name of that programming challenge is compute the average. In this programming challenge we will get first input is an integer, and after that we will get the string of that an integer, and you have to find the average with rounded off to 3 decimal values. You know how we can do that rounded off with the previous programming challenge. Let's see how we can compute the average. Okay, now let's start. First of all, we will take as a string of that length of that integer number. So instead of n, what I will do, I will take a variable name as length. After that, let's take one variable, and I will mention that variable default value as 0, and I'm going to iterate this length with the help of a for loop. After that, in every iteration also I will take as an input, and this time I'm taking variable name I've kept as number. Okay, now it's time to evaluate of addition of two numbers every time it is iterating. So what I can do, I will use expr command. We know how expr command, we have seen our previous videos. If you didn't so, please go ahead and watch the expr command video, which is going to very much helpful to execute this programming challenge. And also I will give the expr command link in the description section. Okay, so expr, now you can see that in the help of a for loop I'm iterating and I'm accepting a command number, and in the after that the next line x equal to expr $x plus $number, I am adding those inputs which I am getting through the iteration. Okay, now what I will do, I will compute their average and round it up to 3 values. You have seen in my last programming video how to do rounded off. So percentile dot 3f, after that dollar echo 3 rounded of values. For I will take 4, so that fourth value will be rounded off to third number. After that, average I have to compute, right? So $x by $length, and after that I'm going to use bc command. I think this is it. I have written as per my knowledge. It should work fine. Now let's try. Let's save the code. Now let's give the executable permission given. Okay, now how many integers I want 4 integers to compute. 4, first value should be 1, 2, 9, 8. Now if I will add 1, 2, 9, 8, it should be 20. Now I have to take the average of 20, so 20 divided by 4, it will be 5, and rounded up to 3 decimal values. So answer would be 5.000. But it's not coming here, it is coming unexpected end of file at line number 16. Let's see what happens at line number 16. Okay, I think I did not close this command. Okay, echo command. Now I think it's closed. Let's save it, go back. again 4 1 2 9 and 8. It should be 5.000. So this is one way to do it. Another procedure is I can use, instead of expr command, arithmetic expansion. Okay, how to do arithmetic expansion? Let's see. First of all, let's clear the screen. X plus number. So arithmetic, this one is arithmetic expansion, in which I have calculated our, means I have kept our addition logic inside double quotes, sorry, inside double bracket, and after outside dollar symbol, which is going to save to the X. Let's see it is working or not. I think it should work. We have removed $2 symbol, $X and $number. Let's try. Okay, 4 1 2 9 8. So that is also one way to do that. So this is the end of the video. We saw how compute the average programming challenge we solved, and through that we learned about different ways to use the arithmetic expression. EXPR we already knew, and also we saw expansion. Now in the next video again we are going to solve another one of the important programming challenges of HackerRank. If you are new to this channel, please like and subscribe and press the bell icon to get the regularly updates. So stay tuned and keep watching Adyan channel. Thank you.